Well, hello and welcome to GP Support North's information mini-series all about sales order entry, showcasing the functionality and special tips for this Dynamics GP feature. With that said, let's jump right into an overview on navigation. Over to you, Brittany.
One of your other navigation lists is I actually like my tiles in a particular order. Some people do, some people don't. Is you can actually just drag and drop these around in whatever order you like. I'm old-fashioned. I like my transactions and inquiry and cards all up at the top. That's just my favorite. That's how I like to see it. However, you also have this customized page up here. Oops, it's kind of hiding on me here. You can pick which tiles you want to see or not see when you use your customize this page, okay? And that actually works for any of the pages, whether you go to sales or purchasing, you'll see this customized page as well, okay? Now, if you've been watching my webinars and you like how small my bar is at the top, or maybe you want to see more, you can actually always customize this toolbar as well and turn on multiple toolbars as well, and move them on in here as well, okay? I'm old-fashioned. I like seeing just transactions, inquiry reports, cards. As I said, I have maybe spent more years in GP than I like, and prior to tiles, it used to just be these drop-downs, so I like to use the drop-downs still as well, okay? In GP, there's always more than one way to get to anything. Please use whatever feels most comfortable to you, okay? No matter which functionality you're sitting in, whether it's sales or purchasing or financial, whatever you like, okay? Now, and one of the last navigation ones I just wanted to talk to you about is actually inside of our setup here. I'm going to hop inside of here. Is you can actually choose inside of receivables, not a lot of people know this, is whether you want to show your applies, apply by document number or due date. Okay, so you choose which one you actually, if you're using the auto apply function, which one it applies by first, the document number in ascending order, so it goes alphanumeric, or you can have it auto apply by due date. Okay, so for those of you who never used the auto apply function, it's under your apply sales document functionality here. And if you just wanted to apply anything, you can actually use this auto apply and it'll apply down for us and it'll consume everything it can until it's no longer there. Okay? You can also unapply en masse and make sure you have nothing there. Okay? If you've ever moved your stuff to history and you can no longer unapply it, but you still want to apply it, we did cover this, I think in our PSTL, I think it was 2 weeks ago, I might be lying to you. There is a fun PSTL function inside of sales that's called your RM transaction unapply. You can actually move a document out of history and back into open to make sure that you can apply it back. I'm just going to go ahead and pick on my Aaron Fitz here. And we can always unapply things that have been moved to history, okay? Or maybe they got stuck in a batch. So again, contact your system administrator anytime you want to use PSTL. It is a great but very powerful tool, okay?
Thanks, Brittany. What a great overview on navigation. For the entire series on sales order entry, or how GP Support North can keep you on a successful digital transformation while staying on Dynamics GP, visit gpsupportnorth.com. Well, we hope to see you there.